in the building, nigga.
Yeah, I'll see you there. No, I'm just running late for the meeting. Give me like 20 minutes. Alright, cool. Yeah, I'm just round the corner.
Watch it, man.
Hold on a sec. One. Be right back. What's better?
Oh
my days! I recognise that ugly face, man.
Recognise that PSC stuff from anywhere, man.
Nah, it's Hugo Boss, man. It's Hugo Boss.
Suited everything, innit?
Obviously, I'm suited and booted.
Ah, man. It's a team. Oh my god, it's Malcolm Fahad, man. Jesus.
What's good, brother, man?
What a coincidence,
I
man.
see you keep in the bed.
Innit? Terrorist wave.
No, even though I went cinema.
What are you saying, though, Boca?
Man's been going canal, obviously. Hair and beauty.
Living the dream, man. Living the dream.
Yeah, I know, man. What you been up to?
Yo, now it's time to do that dessert shop. Pudding. Yeah,
Yeah.
That's basic. I'm doing well, man.
Serious?
Yeah, doing well.
Man, hooked me up to the job, though, still.
Yeah, what happened?
I think we're gonna get kicked out.
Kicked out Canal?
Yeah, man.
Is that even possible?
Trust me. Man, serious. Me and the man, need to build up our own business, innit? Got caught stealing a couple of boxes, though, still.
What? What about you, though, Seth?
Me, I don't know, man. Just hopefully finish my exams, go uni quick.
Oh, man. That is flying, man. You remember the Glazeball, though?
Yeah, man. Remember those good old days.
Sir. Yes, sir. Go toilet, please. No, absolutely not. Sir, please, I'm getting desperate.
Hey, miss, can I go toilet?
You know about everyone.
You know about everyone.
Yeah, off you go.
Thanks, miss.
Miss, can I try this?
Ew, that's a bit weird. Okay, makes sense.
Live.
Hey, did you go to that Shibs last night?
Man was there, it was
man.
shut up!
I saw you just stood there.
I was pulling off a feel, innit?
Yeah, he was doing that. But you're on my way to get me.
Yeah.
Like that. No, what are you thinking? What were we gonna say?
You cussed Diana.
Hey, come here, small child. Come here now.
Good old days.
Man, I love those days.
No, man, them ones, man. What are you looking at?
That's a big bag, you know?
It's your dinner sorted. Hey, you look good to go, man. Come on.
Hey, wait for you guys.